Okay, quick question. How many of you finished college and thought, wow, I'm finally educated? Only for life to immediately say, Beta, sit down. Class has just started. Because let's be honest, education doesn't always come from college degrees. Growth doesn't always happen in classrooms. Hi, I'm Lipika Sud. I'm an interior designer, a motivational speaker, an artist, and a poet, and I love sharing beautiful things with you. Sometimes it happens in that one book that blew your mind, or in therapy sessions that you swore you didn't need, or in your journal that knows you better than your best friend, or in those brutally honest conversations when someone says, listen, don't get offended, but, and you immediately know you're about to grow. So today, I'm sharing 3 fun, simple, powerful tips for self-growth, the kind the classrooms never told you about. Tip number 1, be a constant learner, outside the syllabus. Classroom learning ends with a bell. Life learning begins with a breakdown, a breakthrough, or a random YouTube video at midnight. Read books that challenge you. Watch content that inspire you. Learn things that fuel your mind, not just your marks. Learning is not an exam. It's a lifestyle. And the ones who grow the fastest are the ones who never stop learning. Tip number 2, journal your chaos because your mind is too crowded. Think of journaling as a meeting between you and your overthinking. Write out your thoughts, your doubts, your dreams, your drama. Once it's on paper, it stops shouting inside your head. You'll be amazed how much clearer your life becomes when you write your life down. Self-awareness is your biggest glow up. And yes, tip number 3, choose people who stretch you, not stress you. Your growth depends heavily on the company you keep. Some people will uplift you, some will confuse you, and some will drain you faster than your iPhone battery at 2%. Choose wisely. Have conversations with people who inspire you to level up. One honest conversation with the right person can teach you more than a whole semester. Your vibe shapes your tribe, and your tribe shapes your life. So remember, education doesn't end with a degree. Growth doesn't happen only in classrooms. Life is the biggest teacher, sometimes whispering, sometimes yelling, sometimes flipping your world 180 degrees. Keep learning, keep growing, and keep becoming the version of yourself you're proud of. If this resonated, comment below with something life taught you outside the classroom. Until next time, stay curious, stay creative, and stay unstoppable. And yes, I love you. I believe in you. Keep smiling.